Hello and welcome to another week in review. I'm Scott Douglas, joined as always with Ann Holliday and Pippi Longstocking here. Igor hanging out with us. That's some fancy attire here, which actually I shouldn't be making fun of you because I am absolutely freezing.
Yeah.
So am I.
What a week weather-wise it has been here in the Twin Tiers.
Us bald guys need to do something about this. This is nonsense.
You know, last week we were talking about the flooding going on. This week it's the snow. Not just a little snow. How much, Ann, do we get?
More than 3 feet.
More than 3 feet, and it has been nonstop except for this Friday. We got a little break.
A little break.
And there's a reason for that. I took a trip up to Salamanca earlier this week because I couldn't take it anymore. I can't. I'm done shoveling. I don't own a snowblower. I'm too cheap for that. I'm done shoveling. So I went up to our Seneca friends and I said, listen, there's got to be some kind of ancient ceremony to help with, to somehow tell the gods that, this is enough with the weather. And sure enough, they showed me exactly how to do it. And if we could take a look at the video footage, I mean, this worked, evidently.
All right, let's have a look.
Oh, stupid nature! God! Ah! Take it back! Get out of here! Snow!
Okay.
Gotta hand it to the Senecas, I guess. Thank you, Dan.
Yes,
All right,
you're
thank
welcome.
you. Well, anyway.
Somebody had to do it.
Oh, there you go. And now we're getting rain and sleet coming up this weekend.
That's
So
right.
see if you can take care of that.
You're welcome.
Another big story this week is a new resident of McKean County.
New celebrity resident.
Celebrity resident. They're not even here to make a movie this time.
Yeah.
A good old Wesley Snipes started his sentence at FCI McKean on Thursday. I know it was a big deal. You saw news trucks, CNN trucks around the area?
CNN trucks were here on Tuesday to for a live remote something.
If I hear one more newscast, call this McCain County or
McCain.
Yeah.
Yeah,
McKean,
on
guys.
Larry King, they had just the sign of FCI McKean and all the snow coming down. Poor Wesley.
So were there any cameras here on Thursday when he actually arrived, or is he kind of falling that far out of the spotlight where, we'll just get some file footage and then just edit
Aside
it in
from
later?
the guy who sent us the picture.
I was going to say, there's no paparazzi. There was just some dude with a cell phone cam that sent us the picture.
But he
Which-
actually got it onto TMZ.
I
Yeah,
know.
that same photo got on TMZ, so I don't know who sent it to us or how they got it if he sent it to them, but thank you. We have it up on our Facebook pages. He looked more than thrilled to be at the Bradford
Yeah.
Regional
Oh, yeah.
Airport.
Yeah, take a look at
With
him.
his
We were looking at him
parka.
right now.
He was
It's
all,
like, yeah, seriously?
this is the airport?
Yeah. Well, no, listen. Where did he come from? He probably lives in some kind
LA?
of like tropical
Oh, Florida.
paradise or something. Of course. Yeah, there you go. No palm trees up here, Wes.
No, everything's... And he picked the worst possible week
I
to
know.
come.
You see him wearing the winter parka. He's like, what the hell's... I never wore one of these in my life.
You see the sled dogs are ready. We're getting ready to take them over to FCI McKean. It would have been cool. We should have went out there. We were
Should've.
talking about it. We wanted to go out there just to see if we can get on TV, maybe talk to him. And the funniest thing is I read, according to E! Online, they said that he has his own dorm-style cell, his own personal radio, which I'm sure being at FCI McKean, how many stations?
100.1 The Hero.
Yeah, you can't get any other stations besides the
Right.
Hero. So I'm sure he's going to be listening to us, and we're putting a plea out there for him. Call in. If you want us to come visit you, we'll come hang out. We got nothing better to do. We'll do it on company time.
And Wesley, we're one of the media outlets who's been reporting it correctly.
Yeah.
That it's misdemeanor counts of failing to file tax returns, not failing to.
I still don't understand how he doesn't pay his taxes. He gets 3 years in jail.
Don't
Vince
be nice
Neil,
to him. We're not going to get make any friends now.
Well, Vince Neil kills a guy drunk driving, gets 30 days, and it's fine. I just this whole justice system
You don't
is
mess
all
with
screwed up.
Uncle Sam needs to be paid. That's what the problem is. Wesley, dude, aren't you rich enough where you don't... Is that really a problem? Is it an issue to pay up? Like, I have to pay. What's your deal?
Yeah,
All
if
right.
you get $9 million for a movie and you got to pay $4 million on taxes, I mean, still, you'd be thankful, right?
Well, he needed an extra marble statue or some kind of like fancy fountain system. So
Or a new parka, because he's coming up here to McKean County.
Well, enjoy your stay, Wesley.
So he's going to be here a while. They said he could serve probably about 26 months, at least 2 years.
According to the Bureau of Prisons website, his release date is July 19th, 2013.
That's one day after my birthday. We can have a party for
There we
him.
go.
That's right.
Cool, get him out and we can have a little party, a little
This Scott
celebrity.
Douglas Appreciation Week.
That's right.
And I'm sure by the time he leaves, he'll appreciate you.
All right. Well, we're going to put that out there. So hopefully, Wesley, if you do have access to the internet and you find time, I don't know, why would you even watch it? I mean, who even watches this anyway?
A lot of people, apparently.
All right, well, that's more power to them. We got to let us know what else
Because
you're
we
going to do.
can't watch it 100 times each, so somebody's
All right,
it.
so anything else you guys want to add before we let them go? Just go out and finish shoveling the parking lot?
I'm gonna go do another chant in the style of the ancient Indians and get rid of the cold weather.
That would be
Please.
nice.
It'll be sunny and 82 next week. Mark
All
my
right.
words.
Guarantee it.
Gonna go do that now.
Just Igor stamp of approval. So, for Ann Holiday and Igor, I'm Scott Douglas. We'll talk to you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Go away! Go away, Snow!
I'm doing the chant.
Oh, jeez.